Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Your ability to discipline yourself, to set clear goals for yourself, and then to work toward them every day will do more to guarantee your success than any other single factor. You need to have goals to accomplish worthwhile things in life. You have probably heard it said that you can't hit a target that you can't see. The very act of taking the time to decide what you really want in each area of your life can change. It seems that only 3% of adults have written goals and plans, and this 3% earn more than all of the other 95% put together. Why is this? The simplest answer is that if you have a clear goal and a plan to achieve it, you therefore have a track to run on every single day. Instead of being sidetracked by distractions and diversions, getting lost or going astray, more and more of your time is focused in a straight line from where you are to where you want to go. This is why people with goals accomplish so much more than people without them. The tragedy is that most people think that they already have goals, but what they really have are hopes and wishes. However, hope is not a strategy for success, and a wish has been defined as a goal with no energy behind it. Goals that are not written down and developed into plans are like bullets without powder in a cartridge. People with unwritten goals go through life shooting blanks because they think they already have goals. They never engage in a hard, disciplined effort of goal setting. But this is the master skill of success. In my experience of working with several people over the past 15 years, the disciplined act of writing out goals, making plans for accomplishing them, and then working on those goals daily increases the likelihood of achieving your goals by 10 times or 1,000%. This does not mean that writing out your goals guarantees success, but rather it increases the probability of success by 10 times. These are very good odds to have working in your favor, especially when there is no cost or no risk involved. Just put pen to paper. Just a little time. Writing is called a psychoneuromotor activity. The act of writing forces you to think and concentrate. It forces you to choose what is more important to you and your future. As a result, when you write a goal, you impress it into your subconscious mind, which then goes to work 24 hours a day to bring your goal to reality. Sometimes I tell my seminar audiences, only 3% of adults have written goals and everyone else works for those people. In life, you either work to achieve your own goals or you work to achieve the goals of someone else. Which is it going to be? Success versus failure mechanisms. Your brain has both a success mechanism and a failure mechanism. The failure mechanism is the temptation to follow the undisciplined path of least resistance, to do what is funny, easy, rather than what is hard and necessary. Your failure mechanism operates automatically throughout your life, which is the major reason why most people fail to fulfill their individual potentials. While your failure mechanism functions automatically, your success mechanism is triggered by a goal. When you decide on a goal, you override your failure mechanism and you can change the direction of your life. You go from being a ship without a rudder, drifting with the tide, to being a ship with a rudder, a compass, and a clear destination, and sailing in a straight direction toward your goal. Aristotle wrote that human beings are teleological organisms, which simply means that we are purpose-driven. Therefore, you feel happy and in control of your life only when you have a clear goal that you are working toward each day. This also means that the ability to become a lifelong goal setter is one of the most important disciplines you will ever develop. In nature, the homecoming pigeon is a remarkable bird. It has an uncanny instinct that enables it to fly back to its home roost, no matter how far it starts or in what direction it must go. You can take a homing pigeon out of its roost, put it in a cage, put the cage in a box, cover the box with a blanket, and put the covered box in the back of a pickup truck. You can then drive 1,000 miles in any direction. Then open up the truck, take out the box, take off the blanket, open the cage, and then throw the homing pigeon up into the air. The homing pigeon will circle 3 times, get its bearings, and then fly straight back to its home roost. This is the only creature on earth that has this ability, except for human beings, except for you. You also have this remarkable homing ability within your brain, but with one special difference. The homing pigeon seems to know instinctively exactly where its home roost is located. It then has the ability to fly directly back to that roost. In contrast, when human beings program a goal into their minds, they can then set out without having any idea where they will go or how they will achieve that goal. But by some miracle, they will begin to move unerringly toward that goal, and the goal will begin to move towards them. Still, many people are hesitant to set goals. They say, I want to be financially independent, but I have no idea how I'm going to get there. As a result, they don't even set financial success as a goal. But the good news is, you don't need to know how to get there. You just need to be clear about what you want to accomplish, and the goal-driving mechanism in your brain will guide you unerringly to your destination. For example, you can decide that you're going to find your ideal job in which you work for and with people you like and respect, and do work that's both challenging and enjoyable. You take some time to write down an exact description of what your ideal job and workplace would look like, and then you go out into the job market and begin researching. After a series of interviews, you will often walk into the right place at the right time and find yourself in exactly the right job. Almost everyone has had this experience at one time or another. You can have it by design rather than by chance, simply by developing absolute clarity about what you really want. Resolve today to switch on your success mechanism and unlock your goal achieving mechanism by deciding exactly what you really want in your life. In my next video, that is part 2, I will be explaining the 7-step method to achieving your goals. Don't miss it. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and click on the bell icon to receive alerts as well. Until we meet in our next awesome talk, I'm Dr. Caroline Fitish with you on Learn with Carol.